Good morning, everybody.
We're just about to head to the Festival Italiano. This is an event taking place in Newmarket, Auckland. Basically a celebration of everything Italian, amazing food, drink. Our friends can definitely attest to the fact that we are Italian obsessed. This all started when we had a trip there a few years ago. Our Spotify is full of Italian pop music.
It sure is.
We're really overdue for an intervention, but today it's all about embracing that obsession.
I'm hoping to pick up some nice produce as well, and we'll come back and we'll cook some food, hopefully for dinner. So that'll be fun.
What an absolutely gorgeous day. Perfection.
It's coming down now. Okay, we've got coffees and we've got pastries, so that's the essentials to get our energy levels up. What's your favorite?
My favorite one, well, I like meaty sauces, so I like the Pappardelle the most. These are very different because you can fill these. Ravioli. Yeah, these would be probably my favorites. Most popular ones, the pavilions.
So Tim's going for the drowned rat aesthetic, pulling it off nicely.
I have Pappardelle. Happy. Wine tasting in the rain. Mamma mia. Okay, so we made it back from the market. We finally got ourselves dry and warm, and now it's time to make some food. So we're gonna make pappardelle with a mushroom ragu. We're gonna make some salad to go on the side. We've got some nice crispy bread as well to get the sauce at the end. And I've got some nice pepper beef sausages, and Logan's got some vegetarian sausages, which keeps things flexitarian, which is how we do it in this household.
Tim, as you know, one of the reasons why I married you was your cooking, and you have not disappointed this evening. I really like the mushrooms in the ragu. It gives it a real depth and umami, and sometimes that can be lacking in vegetarian cooking, but this is awesome.
Well, thank you for joining us today as we toured through Festival Italiano and made some nice food. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe for more videos to come. Ciao!